Bros, I beg. Please, I no find chief.
We are here to sweep the disease APC bring to Plateau yesterday for their mega rally, and we sweep it out. We wash it out. Plateau, no disease will remain in Plateau by the special grace of God. APC will go. We will kick them out. PDP is Plateau. Plateau is PDP. PDP rule Nigeria for 16 years, and all Nigerians witness. All Nigerians, we are all witness the good leadership of PDP. We witness the transparency of PDP, and we see APC administration. All Nigerians feel the bad governance of APC.
We are not going to let our future to be altered. We as the youth, we have to come out in a large number to converse for people, and also to give our vote to Alhaji Atiku Abubakar and also our governor here in Plateau State.
It's no news that any house that is built on a faulty foundation cannot go forward. They don't have plans for the country.
We're still aware of the promises they've made from 2014, 2015 till now. And they should bring their scorecard to tell us what they've been able to achieve within their manifesto. They are adding lies upon lies, and enough is enough. That is why the young people have decided to come out and do this morning. So we are here in solidarity for the support groups, and as the youth DG, I'm trying to tell them that we have an umbrella that will accommodate all support groups on the plateau to do 5/5.